Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Toyota Corolla Design. This car comes with the hybrid 2-litre petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 181 brake horsepower and while still returning up to an impressive 53 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 21 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 21,000 miles and comes with full service history from Toyota. This particular colour is the Metallic Eclipse Black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, you've got a nice clean interior, and being the design, you get a high level of features on this car. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders in the centre. Onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has heated front seats, climate control just below the multimedia screen in the centre there, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Rear passengers have got lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents in the centre, and it's good to see the car's got the Corolla floor mats as well. As we open the tailgate, being the estate, you've got a really good sized boot there, which goes back a long way, with the rear seats that can be split, as well as the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also then got your tools there for the spare wheel, and the spare wheel is tucked underneath the foam, and that's a space saver there, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.